to another episode, of SBK LOCO. We are going to be doing a series of two-handed connections. When I first started doing salsa dancing, I kind of was stuck here. I think a lot of beginners, when they first start dancing salsa, they're like, taka, 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 and really stuck here, don't know what to do. Give you some idea to be able to do a full combination when you're stuck with two hands. We're gonna come in for a hammerlock. I always like to prepare on 7. So watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm gonna come down. 1, 2, 3, hammerlock. You need to make sure you drop this hand down. Stepping back. 5, 6, 7. Now for the leaders, you actually have to do a step to the side. So I will show you that from the side angle. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to get out of the line. Watch that one more time. Coming back from here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to send her back. Open break. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here, followers, you can do a leg sweep, for example. And 1, 2, 3. Leaders, we can kind of stay here and let the lady style, or you can step. 1, 2, 3. From here, we're going to go for an inside turn. 5, 6, 7. And landing 1, 2, 3. Back to the side, sending her back. 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to go for an open break. 1, 2, 3, and a barrel roll. 5, 6, 7. Watch that again from the side here. Hammerlock. 1, 2, 3. Stepping out of the line. 5, 6, and 7. Now she has a clear path. I'm going to send her back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now, leaders, I'm going to show you something here. When you're going for all of these turns back to back, it's very important to keep the hands nice and together. As you start getting wider, it's going to start looking pretty messy. So watch that again. Watch how close they keep the hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. See, very close. Not out here, not there. Nice and close. I keep it really close. I don't want her to go too far. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 to the outside. Open 1, 2. Now I'm at the middle of the rail. I'm going to cross over out of her way.
7.
1, 2, 3. Inside turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Open break. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Just kidding. Now this is kind of a lot, I know. So let's have you. Maybe we'll go from this angle one more time. Okay. So watch that again. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Step, step out. Open to the middle. Cross and go. 1, 2. Now I'm going to prep to the outside of the frame. Okay, so for an inside turn, we prep out. Okay, remember. And 5, 6, 7. Keeping the hands very close. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. From here, as she's rotating, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to kind of do a breath of air. 1. To be nice and smooth. Don't push the lady back. Breath of air. 1, 2, 3. Loop her around. And 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now let's put it all together. Let's go fast. Actually, no. I'm going to give you one tip real quick. For the inside turn, the two-handed inside turn, we can do kind of stylish. So watch that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. So you can do that kind of stylish. So we can do the boring way, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Or we can do cool way. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So let's bring that all together. Let's go fast. We go fast.